Okay, I think it's working. So, creating a Docker image from Microsoft SQL Server for Microsoft SQL Server 2019. The first thing you need to do is Docker pull from Microsoft's page. You'll see I already did that down below, where it's reading that the image is up to date from the same line that's highlighted here for pulling it. And I'll have this PowerShell script on my GitHub page on github.com/Ian France. I'm working on a script that will do quite a bit of the lifting here for you. So we don't have a container. So if I look at my Docker containers, and I could type here, Docker container, throw ls for listing what's there, and then you always do -- for your options or your flags. In this case, we'll look at the latest ones that were deployed, and you'll see that there's one called SQL Pet. That's for a different project that I'm working on, but there's, if we look at our Docker images, let me make that better, see if that helps. Yeah. So if you look at our Docker images, you'll see the Microsoft MS SQL Server in a tag. And when we do Docker run, you'll notice that the -d flag for like a detached instance that's going to run in the background, but it's going to use the same repository points that you see here, and then the tag name. So this one's for SQL Server. The SQL Pet one that you saw is for a Postgres. It's actually Postgres 10. So that's for another project, and you'll see that on my GitHub too if you want to use Postgres. But just to focus on the SQL Server side of things, I will go ahead and create the SQL Server 2019 named image. So I'm running that. Okay. So now if I do Docker start SQL 19, I should have a valid SQL Server instance running. So if I do Docker PS, there is one running with the name SQL 2019. So now what I can do is actually connect with SSMS to what I've created. My machine's starting to actually turn its fans on. Okay. Let's show this. Go over to File, Connection. So my local host, my SA, and my credentials that I created, which are just junk credentials. I'm connected now to my databases where I can look at tables that are set up in here, and I have a valid SQL instance. So if I start up a query, so the engine is running. One of the things that's been fun about it has been testing and looking at some of the new areas that are supported with creating and altering procedures. There's actually a create or alter statement here. So I'm executing that, and you know, it's creating a proc test procedure here. Anyway, kind of fun. It's a fun way to get SQL Server running on your home instance, and then whenever you're done, you just do Docker stop SQL 19. Okay, the server's down. So if I go ahead and execute, I should get connection errors. Oh, it's trying. Seems to be not responsive. Oh, execution expired. Here's the error message. Timeout has elapsed. All right, that's been fun. Thanks for watching.